Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can cause frustration for many drivers: engine misfire and shaking. If you've ever experienced these issues or want to be prepared for the future, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the common causes of engine misfire and shaking, and provide you with some troubleshooting tips. Let's get started. What is engine misfire? Before we delve into the causes, let's quickly understand what engine misfire actually means. Engine misfire is a condition where one or more cylinders in an internal combustion engine fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture at the right time, causing a lack of power, rough idling, and vibration. This can be caused by a variety of issues, such as problems with the ignition system, fuel system, or air intake system. Engine misfires can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and potentially serious engine damage if left untreated. It's important to address engine misfires promptly to prevent further damage. Now, let's move on to the causes. 1. Spark plug issues. One of the most common causes of engine misfire is faulty spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel in your engine, and if they're dirty or worn out, they can cause misfires. Over time, spark plugs can wear out or become fouled with deposits, leading to inconsistent ignition. Make sure to check your spark plugs regularly and replace them if necessary. It's a relatively simple and cost-effective fix that can make a big difference. 2. Ignition system problems. Another culprit behind engine misfire is a malfunctioning ignition system. This includes components like ignition coils, ignition wires, and the distributor. The ignition coil is responsible for generating the high voltage needed to create a spark in the spark plugs. If the ignition coil is faulty, it can result in weak or inconsistent sparks, leading to misfires and engine shaking. In such cases, replacing the ignition coil is often necessary to restore proper engine performance. If any of the ignition system parts are worn out or damaged, they can disrupt the spark delivery to the cylinders, causing misfires. Inspecting and replacing faulty ignition system components can help resolve the issue. 3. Fuel system troubles. A poorly functioning fuel system can also contribute to engine misfire. Clogged fuel injectors, a failing fuel pump, or a dirty fuel filter can disrupt the proper fuel-air mixture, leading to misfires. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering fuel to your engine, and if they're clogged or malfunctioning, they can cause misfires. If you're experiencing misfires, it's worth having your fuel injectors checked out by a mechanic. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning or replacing fuel system components, can help prevent these issues. 4. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks can be sneaky culprits behind engine misfire and shaking. When there's an unintended intake of air into the engine, it can disrupt the air-fuel ratio and cause misfires. Inspecting and repairing vacuum hoses, gaskets, and intake manifold leaks can help eliminate this problem. 5. Faulty or worn-out ignition timing. Another potential cause of engine misfire is a malfunctioning timing belt or timing chain. The timing belt or chain ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the correct time. If the timing is off, it can cause misfires and engine shaking. Regular maintenance and replacement of the timing belt or chain as recommended by the manufacturer is essential to prevent timing-related issues. It's essential to ensure that your ignition timing is properly adjusted according to your vehicle's specifications. 6. Low compression. If the compression in one or more cylinders is low, it can result in misfires. Worn-out piston rings or other mechanical issues can lead to low compression in a cylinder, causing poor combustion and misfires. Damaged valves, or a blown head gasket could also cause low compression. A compression test can help diagnose this issue. This usually requires professional diagnosis and repair. 7. Malfunctioning sensors. Faulty sensors, such as the mass airflow sensor (MAF) or oxygen sensor, can disrupt the engine's fuel-air mixture, leading to misfires. Checking and replacing malfunctioning sensors can help resolve the problem. 8. Electrical issues. Problems with the electrical system, such as a weak battery, faulty alternator, or loose connections, can affect the engine's performance and cause misfires. Ensuring a healthy electrical system is crucial. A weak battery can cause your engine to struggle to start, which can lead to misfires and shaking. If you suspect your battery is the problem, it's best to have it tested by a professional. 9. Engine overheating. Excessive heat can damage engine components and lead to misfires. Regularly check your cooling system, including the radiator, thermostat, and coolant levels, to prevent overheating. 10. Air filter problems. Your engine needs air to function properly, and if your air filter is dirty or clogged, it can cause misfires and shaking. A dirty air filter restricts the airflow to the engine, causing an imbalanced air-to-fuel mixture. This imbalance can lead to misfires and rough running. Regularly inspecting and replacing the air filter is an easy and cost-effective way to prevent engine misfire and maintain smooth engine operation. Remember, engine misfire and shaking should not be ignored, as they can lead to more severe issues if left unresolved. If you're experiencing these problems, it's important to diagnose and address the underlying causes promptly. Diagnosing and fixing engine misfire issues can sometimes be complex, and it's always recommended to consult a professional mechanic if you're unsure or if the problem persists. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the common causes of engine misfire and shaking. By understanding these potential issues, you'll be better equipped to troubleshoot and resolve them. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt attention to any warning signs can go a long way in keeping your engine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe and happy motoring.